On Wednesday, Lorraine Kelly's fans were alarmed when she couldn't stop coughing during her daily ITV show. One fan took to Twitter to say, "Haven't heard this much coughing on a TV show since Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Grab a hot toddy, Lorraine." The presenter replied, "Sorry," prompting another fan to write, "Don't apologize, just get well." Good to see some TV folks still go to work with a bit of lurgy. Although she took time off to recover after testing positive for COVID in July, the 63-year-old showed bravery by persevering through her illness.